From this shot here you should be able to see the large square baler chamber, which we weld through robots now, and you can see the chamber here down below, and then it passes through next to the assembly area for the assembly of the rest of the baler. So this is the robot weld cell for the large square baler chamber. This robot weld cell welds the axles that go into the large square baler chamber, and you can see that welding part of the frame right now. This is the large square baler, and you can see at this point there's quite a lot more assembly on it from the last time we saw, just as it came out of the welding. So this is a large square baler assembly after paint, and you can see now we have the tyres on and the cutters on and various gears as it progresses through the assembly. This is the small square baler line, and this is assembly after paint. You may remember these are the frames that we were welding on the robot in plant 2, as we talked about earlier. Okay, I'm standing right at the end of the large square baler assembly line. So this is the last station on the assembly line for the large square baler, and you can see all the parts are ready to go, and this is a fully assembled. So we've seen the robot side, we've seen the assembly after paint, and this is the